All right. Now,
Nice.
this is the funny part. Well, actually, this is funny, sad. I don't know. What do you want to call these? Funny, sad? This is from
This
San
is.
Bernardino.
I think this is what we need to do. Is this accept or deny territory?
Oh, well, okay. All right. All right. Here
I
we go.
think
We
we need.
play the
I think we
game.
need to. No, we need to empower the ants to allow them to say no. Give them the permission to say no on crappy rides.
If you say any of these, okay. If you say yes to any of these, I will find you personally. I will shoot you. This
Hey.
this is unacceptable. Okay.
This is the
Now we have a
hashtag
county.
define.
We have a county east of me called San Bernardino County. Okay. Which I was in this weekend for my son's soccer tournament, 120 miles each way. But this driver sent me multiple screenshots, and I'm like, I got to pick the best of the clan here, best of the best here. Okay. Here's an Uber X trip, 5-star passenger, 10.3 miles away, 16 minutes away, 16.1 mile trip for a total of 26 and a half miles with a total of 41 minutes for $11.82. This is California, people.
That's Prop 22 money right there.
That's shit ton of Prop 22 money, baby.
Oh my God.
Because you know what? See? Brilliant. He's brilliant. He thought about it. Now, this chip is not going to be 1182 to you guys. It shows 1182, but under Prop 22 money, that 41 minutes is going to get him about $15 just on time because it's active time. And there's going to be 34 cents adjustment now, thanks to people here, as opposed to 30 cents. So this chip is probably going to pay, let's see, 15 plus 26 miles, 7.5, 22.5. It'll actually be double under Prop 22 if you guys had Prop 22. But that's not the idea. The idea is this is a horrible situation here. This is real.
Yeah.
Please do not go near this thing. Okay. Here's the second one. Top tipper rider. Bullshit. And then this is better than the first one, I think. 17.4 miles away. Now, I am not sure how the algorithm does this matching, Chris. Uber, 33,000 donkeys over there, and this is what you guys are sending drivers out?
No, you didn't hear they're doing AI now, so they don't even need the coders there anymore. They're just doing AI.
To send some poor driver a trip that's 17 miles away?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, awesome. So 17.4 miles away, 18 minutes. Trip is 26 and a half miles. 26 and a half miles for 32 minutes. So 50 minutes in total duration. And 44 miles in duration distance for $17.44.
Oh, yeah. That's a decline all day long.
In what world, people? Please don't do these.
All right. Definitely don't do this. This is the garbage we've been talking about. The lowball offers. You don't want to take this. This is where you got to look at it and say, look, this is not worth my time. This is not worth my worth. You got to know your worth again. We've talked about that. There was actually an article that just came out that I think I sent you that, Sergio.
Yes, you did. I read it. It's a great article.
Yeah. And it was talking about knowing your worth. So maybe we'll have to highlight that on the show, do a segment on knowing your worth. And hopefully that will help you so you don't have to look at it and say, oh, I got to drive 45 minutes and 44 miles to make 17.44. Because you're going to lose that in gas right there for the most part. And, your costs and all of that associated, you're going to be probably losing money on that ride. But here's the other side of the coin. That was the Uber side. We're going to show you Lyft in just a minute. Now, we've been talking good things about Lyft when it comes to what they are providing drivers, when it comes to information that they're showing, when it comes to, more just better experience overall on the app. But what it doesn't explain, and what we haven't thanked them for or anything, is any type of pay increase. Because, quite frankly, we haven't seen any better pay on the Lyft platform since RideShare has come around. We've only seen, a couple of good things that are good here and there. But when it comes to some of these trips, and David RideShare or Lyft, if you're watching this, This is so appalling that words don't even, I can't even put into words how shitty of offers these are. I'm going to go through them real quick. We got 2 screenshots here. This is just the pickup. 47 minutes to the pickup, which is 34.1 miles away. And the trip itself is 23 minutes and 18.6 miles. So add that together, well over an hour of time just to do this. And if you add the 34 miles and the 18.6 miles, you're at 52 or 53 miles. And your pay is $17.74. Holy crap. No, that's horrible. What is that? Like 30 cents a mile that you're actually getting comped for? And that doesn't even include time?
You know, one gentleman is right. It says pay includes pickup. Is that like the joke of the year or what?
Yeah. Like,
thank God pay includes pickup.
How are you getting the pickup? I mean, like 14 cents for the pickup?
This next one's better.
Yeah. So the next one, listen to this. So it's 57 minutes to the pickup at 45.6 miles. And the trip itself is 22 minutes or 16 miles. So again, if you add it up, an hour and 20 minutes just to take that trip. And you're also going 61.6 miles for $13.62. You got to be shitting me. So David Risher, Lyft, if you're watching this, words can't express the disgust that I have when I'm looking at these screenshots and the fact that you don't compensate drivers to go to the pickup when it's 45 miles or 34 miles away, almost an hour or 45 minutes out of the way to go pick somebody up, which is absolutely appalling and disgusting. How the hell do you expect somebody to turn on your app and say, oh, I'm going to go take a couple of Lyft rides today because they're going to see this and they're going to be like, no fucking way.
Yeah, I don't know what to say. I mean, I trust this guy because he even doesn't send him to me on the RSG email. He has my personal email. He sends them to me once in a while. Harry talks with this guy. I trust these screenshots. These are real. He goes, Serge, look at these. You know, you get a ton of them. So he responded. I go, are these real? He goes, yeah. He goes, they're my app. And he goes, I don't know what was there that night that he works like the night shift between, let's say, 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. And he goes, there must not have been any drivers, you know, anywhere. And I'm telling you, this is not like in the middle of the boondocks, in the middle of nowhere. This is San Bernardino County. It's not like, there's like 8 people in the whole town. This is unbelievable, right? So I'm going like, well, shit. Yeah, I guess we're not teaching the algorithm much, are we? So, Mr. Risher, you know, this is appalling. This is unacceptable. I'm going to tweet these with your, with Lyft and David Risher's tags. Please take a look at this. This is unacceptable. I mean, no, this is beyond unacceptable. I don't know what this is. So
that's called charity. So please, people, don't take that. Again, know your worth. I mean, if you're in here, chances are you're not going to accept that. You're going to be smart and say, I'm losing money taking that ride.
I mean, under Prop 22, the second one would have paid probably 25 or maybe 27, right?
Yeah, but still,
you have to wait 2 weeks to get the Prop 22 money, by the way. You have to wait 2 weeks to get the Prop 22 money. So.
Yeah, and the thing is, that's not even worth it. And then the other side of the coin, though, is doesn't it average out? So it doesn't necessarily go based on ride and say, oh, here for that time, that's what you're going to get. They're going to average it over the 2 weeks. So if your other rides are acceptable, you may not even see that Prop 22 money.
Yeah. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. I mean, I'm just saying, you know, if you're dumb enough, sorry, people, but this has got to come now. This is the end of the show. If you're dumb enough to take these, you deserve what's coming your way. That's it.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.